Hi there guys, bet you're all been dying to know how much this Mito cost to repair. So the actual car cost £2,172. The headlights for repair were £342, headlight surrounds £45, main grille £72, bumper mounts and brackets £48, wing, bonnet, hinges £150, crash bar £125, front bumper £300, lower main grille £42, fog lamp £63, bumper phone £24, lower spoiler £22, clips and bolts £10, fog lamp surrounds were £102, shipping costs were £50, the paintwork cost £800 and the labour to repair this was £1,000, giving the grand total of cost to £5,367. So wait till the end of the video to find out how much of a saving this vehicle was over buying one from a car dealer. So let's compare it with a few cars on Auto Trader around the same mileage and around the same age. The first car I found was for sale for £9,000. It had done a little bit more mileage. The second car was £10,800, so that's quite a good saving. A good saving of a whopping £3,633 over retail. Now if you would like this sort of work doing, please get in contact in the description below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys.